Hello and welcome to a unboxing on the channel. So the Primaris Eliminators came out today and these guys are pretty sweet. So, that's the box art, which is nice, but once you bought it, you don't really care about the box art, do you? So this box, as you can hear, is empty because I've already took it out in prior preparation. So let's get all the other stuff out of the way. So you get 3 bases, 40mm. Done. You get a Ultramarines transfer sheet, which, Games Workshop loves Ultramarines, and I'm not surprised because Ultramarines are amazing. Like in my Knights in a Crack video, I explained you get your little pamphlet that says this is how you build, etc., etc. So usual stuff, and then at the back, multiple languages on the data sheets, which is all interesting and stuff if you want to have a look, but it's not. Let's have a look at the models. So there's 3 sections. Technically, obviously, it's been mold injection has been done like that in one big slab and broken off. So just have a quick scan of all the lovely goodness that is Eliminators. The thing that stands out the most is it just looks really nice. Like the helmeted guys that look sweet. The non-helmet looks pretty cool. And then you get ones where if you have like camo cloaks, you can have more options there. And if you want like more variety, there's some there. It's like for a kit that's got 3 guys, there's 3, 4, 7. There's 10 head options. So you've got loads of bits left over, and these like dynamic scenery pieces that you can put them in front of. They just look really nice. Like the kit gives you a lot of variety. All the guns look more or less one piece, as you imagine. Like the second arm is separate because you got these bits over here, but like the guns are one piece. You've got like the energy bit for the weapon that takes out armor and stuff, the las fusel or whatever it's called, a bolter, and at least one pistol. I'm sure there's a pistol in there somewhere in there. And then you get like this bit. You can have the guy with the you can have him with a pistol, and then have the sniper rifle on the back, which is it's pretty sweet. I mean, it's not anything that you haven't seen already, but this is a contents unboxing sort of video, me just going, this is nice models, look at it, look at the stuff that I now have for my Flesh Terrors. So yeah, why wouldn't you get some Eliminators? Yeah, they take up a heavy slot, which is fine. Maybe you should get some for your third company, Primaris only company, for whatever army that you're doing. So yeah, so that's it. Nice and quick, and I hope to see you in the next one. Do all the YouTube-y stuff, and down there there's like a little button to subscribe, and like hit the notification button, because YouTube algorithms and stuff like that, you'll miss me posting anything if you like it. And if you don't, well, hit me a thumbs down, whatever you want to do. It's up to you. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.